Welcome back, man, to Alphamantraining.com live videos. So we will tell amazing story from approach to making connection and building rapport and exchanging number with a girl we liked. So we'll tell what happened. You know, as you see, we walk in a very nice place. So what happened is we came to a lake and we went through the lake and we see this one girl, you know, sitting by herself. So we approached and we spent around 1 hour and 30 minutes with her. You know, exchanged numbers with her, and was really awesome because she really liked to talk to us. We also really liked to talk to us. We went together to swim. She told what she study, what is her, you know, a relation with her family, you know, dad and mom, what she's doing in life. We also told what we are doing in life. So we built it very great connection and relationship. So it was awesome, you know. So a lot of, you know, women, you know, who, you know, sitting and would like to be approached. Yeah, awesome DVD. Oh, awesome, nice. So you have all the opportunities to meet, you know, beautiful women, beautiful girls in their lakes. So what you need to do is you need to go to alphamantraining.com, click products, invest into cart, add to cart products, you know, especially a product from approach to sex in resort, and watch from approach to sex with 5 different girls, version 1, version 2, where we teach, you know, how to seduce those girls, you know. For example, how to seduce those girls from approach to sex, how to do everything, you know, what to talk, what to not talk, because it's very important how you shape your life. For example, if you tell a story which is not interesting to a girl, for example, she will be, you know, bored with you. For example, if you will tell too much private information or information which doesn't, you know, create connection with her, or she, you know, doesn't trust you if you tell that information, so you will not seduce her. So that's very important for you to see examples what we do and how we, you know, seduce those women, and how we build, you know, connection, attraction, and our, you know, stuff. So it's very important. You'll need to go to changing room. So links are below. Definitely to invest into a book, How to Become an Alpha Man. Read that book. Watch Pickup online training courses, night game program, How to Dance with a Woman, and go to more advanced products from approach to sex with 5 different girls, version 1, version 2, and eventually go to same debang version 1, version 2. And the best is to invest into all products and save your time. So it was alphamantraining.com, and until next time, see you.